Welcome to day 7 of our Family Book Club Challenge. You've completed that first full week, and today we're celebrating your incredible progress while looking ahead to even more powerful skills in week 2. You should be amazed by what you've accomplished using research-based strategies. Let's recognize the transformation in your family. Your week 1 foundation building. Look at the powerful foundation you've built in just 7 days. You've established that reading is everywhere through your treasure hunt discovery. You've mastered strategic prediction that activates background knowledge before reading. You've become character detectives with analytical thinking skills. You built vocabulary collection habits that expand academic language. You've developed expressive reading that builds fluency and confidence. You've learned to make personal connections that make reading relevant and memorable. But most importantly, you've established learning-focused family time that brings your family together around meaningful learning. I bet you've noticed changes. Your child is more engaged during reading time. They're asking better questions about stories. They're making connections you didn't expect. They're approaching books with curiosity instead of resistance. And if they're not completely there yet, that's okay. Keep working. Consistency brings that progress. In my years of teaching, I've seen this shift happen countless times in the classroom. It's around day 6 when students start predicting what might happen next to the stories without being asked. That's when I know something fundamental has changed. They're not just listening anymore, they're thinking. The science behind your success. What you're experiencing isn't just fun family time, though it absolutely should be engaging. This is research-backed foundation building that creates lasting academic success. Hennessy's research shows that this first week of systematic oral language building through family reading creates the foundation for improved performance across all academic subjects. Every conversation you had about characters, every prediction you've made together, every new word you've collected, these experiences are building your child's oral language foundation. Wolf's research demonstrates that the sustained attention and analytical thinking you've built transfers to success in all learning environments. The expressive reading and connection-making skills you're developing build the cognitive abilities children need for academic success. Wexler's research proves that background knowledge you're building through strategic reading and vocabulary collection improves comprehension across all subjects. You're literally building your child's mental database for academic success. Building systematic success. The systematic approach you're building creates lasting transformation. That's exactly what comprehensive reading adventures provide through research-based progressive development, where families discover how to turn everyday moments into powerful learning opportunities that build confidence across all subjects. What you're experiencing, the research-based strategies, the family engagement, the systematic skill building, this is just the beginning of what's possible when families commit to the structured learning adventures together. Looking ahead to week 2, we're going to be talking about developing skills. In week 2, this is where we dive into advanced comprehension skills that build deeper understanding. We'll become setting detectives who analyze story environments, problem solvers who understand conflict resolution, emotion explorers who build emotional intelligence, and cause and effect analysts who understand how stories work. These are the thinking strategies that separate good readers from exceptional readers and confident learners. Let's celebrate what you've accomplished. Complete your week 1 reflection together. Have each family member share their favorite moment from this week. What was the most surprising discovery? What new skill are you most proud of? What are you most excited about for week 2? Create simple week 1 certificates for each family member if you want to make it special. Display that growing vocabulary collection with pride. Then share in our community, what was your family's biggest surprise or favorite moment for the week? The foundation of lifelong learning. Remember, you're not just reading books together. You're building the foundation skills that create academic success and lifelong learning habits. Research shows that reflection on reading growth improves metacognitive awareness and motivation for continued development. You're building skills that will serve your family for years to come. And if you're finding that this structured approach is making other family activities easier too, you're experiencing what I call the learning transfer. The same systematic principles that are transforming your reading time can transform homework time too. Check out my End Homework Battles Forever video to see how these foundation skills apply to peaceful, productive homework routines. Get ready for week 2. 1 week down, 3 incredible weeks of learning-focused family time ahead, where we're going to show you what systematic skill development can really accomplish. Make sure you're sharing your celebrations in our Learning in a Distracted World community. Your success story might be exactly the encouragement another family needs to keep going. I'll see you soon for week 2, Developing Skills.